Hey guys, welcome in this new video. I hope that all of you are doing great. So in this video, I will give you 3 tips to grow your small trading account. And I'm telling you, if you actually follow these 3 tips, you have a high probability to eventually get good results because it's nothing really that is that complicated. You just need to make sure that a couple of things are aligned for you to get good results. So the first tip that I want to give you guys is to develop a system that gives you consistent results over the long term. One of the main problems that I see so many traders doing is that they kind of just jump on the charts, they do a quick analysis and then they take a trade and they hope for the best. Whereas professional traders actually have a plan, they have a system, they know what they expect on their trade. So, the average win to lose ratio, the average risk to reward ratio, then they journalize their trades, they always try to improve, right? So it's always kind of a system that they follow, and it gives you a process that you can use in your trading to make your decisions and get good results, right? So that's really the first step, developing a system that over the long term will make you consistent and be able to grow your account. So that is the first thing that is really important to understand. If you don't have this, you will never really be able to get good result. That is a must to have. All right. Number 2, if you have a small trading account, what is good to do, I think, is to always put a little money into it month after month. Now, it may seem like a small difference, but at the end, it really makes a huge difference. So, for example, you can decide to put $50 per month in your account, or $100 in your account, or $200, depending on what you can afford. But after a couple of months, after a couple of years, your trading account will be much bigger. And because of the fact that you have a bigger capital, you will be able to make more money, and this will just compound itself over the long term. And that is how you can take a small account and eventually, after a couple of years, grow it to a much bigger account. And the third tips that I want to give you guys, very simple. If you start with a small account, you need to realize that the journey will be very long. Okay, you will not get to big numbers very fast. Like, it will take a long time. So you need to be able to kind of work yourself through this, and you need to be able to get your mind on this idea that it's normal if it takes a long time. You will not start with $100 and make millions the next year, right? It will take a long time, and it's perfectly normal, right? So all you have to do is make sure that you are very patient throughout this whole journey in order to stay consistent. And when you implement these 3 tips together, and you will see that they kind of work together, and that is how you will really get good results over the long term.